Welcome to Lesson 8.6,
Fractions and Perimeter.
In this lesson, you will learn solving problems involving fractions and perimeter.
Here is the math message. Find the perimeter of the shape. So your answer should be 18/8 or 2/8 of an inch.
2 and 2/8.
2 and 2/8. Sorry. Here's how you could have solved this. You could have added the widths. 4/8 plus 4/8 plus 5/8 plus 5/8 equals 4 plus 4/8 plus 5 plus 5/8. 8/8 plus 10/8 equals 8 plus 10/8, which equals 18/8 inches.
You could have also added the measures of the four sides, which would be 5/8 plus 4/8 plus 5/8 plus 4/8 equals 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4/8 equals 18/8 inches.
You also could have done add the length and the width. Multiply the sum by 2 to double it. So you could have done 5/8 plus 4/8 plus equals 5 plus 4/8, which equals 9/8, and then you do 2 times 9/8 equals 2 times 9/8, which equals 18/8.
Ways to convert to a mixed number. 18/8 equals 8/8 plus 8/8 plus 2/8 equals 1 plus 1 plus 2/8 equals 2 plus 2/8 equals 2 and 2/8 of an inch.
You also could have done 18/8 equals 16/8 plus 2/8 equals 2 plus 2/8, which equals 2 and 2/8 of an inch.
You could have also done 18/8 equals 2 times 8 plus 2/8 equals 2 times 8/8 plus 2/8 equals 2 plus 2/8 equals 2 and 2/8.
Now do page 289 in your math journal.
So, here's the problem. Mrs. Wyman wants to install a metal fence around her rectangular backyard. The perimeter of the rectangular area she wants to enclose is 170.5 feet. 4 panels of fencing, each one 7 3/4 feet wide and 2 2/3 feet high, were needed to complete a side. What are the dimensions of the sides of the rectangular area Mrs. Wyman wants to put a fence around? So you need to solve the width and the length, and then you also need to solve how many more fencing panels does she need to finish the remaining 3 sides.
Now the answers are right here. So the width should be 31 feet by 54 feet.
And then she would need 18 more panels.
So we're going to go over this now.
So now do page 290 in your math journal. It should look like this. Pause the video and do that.
Whoops. So here's your answers. So on the first one, it should have been 12. On the second one, it should be 8.5, 1/2. And the third one, 1/10. Fourth one, 1 2/10. Fifth one, 1 3/100. And the sixth one, 1 2/3. So yeah.
So if you don't understand this, we are doing a lesson.
Yeah, also rewatch the video if you don't understand this, and then do the math box if you